Restoring hair gel. This gel treatment nourishes and moisturizes your hair, providing an incredible definition for twist-outs and braid-outs. Great for dry, damaged color or chemically treated hair that's prone to breakage and split ends. Hair growth formula. Enriched with vitamin A, B, and C to ensure complete nutrition and protection for your hair. This gel fights split ends, reducing the need to trim, minimize your need to cut and retain your length. Restore and Nourish. Our products are formulated to hydrate, strengthen and revitalize hair and scalp and reduce frizz and breakage, including shampoos and conditioners, detanglers, leave-ins, masks, serums, treatments, oils and more. Premium ingredients. We promise to give back to our community while delivering premium products not tested on animals, and formulas free from mineral oil, petrolatum, parabens, sulfates, and formaldehydes. Nourish your hair and scalp. Formulated for the multicultural consumer and their diverse curl patterns, our products are infused with essential nutrients such as biotin, vitamins A, B, C and E, and much more. Anti-Breakage Repair Antidote Collection. This line has come close to duplicating the most historical formulas used during the ancient Egyptian era. Filled with some of the most rare and robust natural oils such as Kalahari oil, oleaster oil, mongongo oil, and baobab oil to strengthen, repair, and add remarkable shine. Beneficial for hair that is prone to breakage and split ends, color, chemically treated, weak and/or damaged. Made with the signature KOMB oil infusion, including Kalahari oil, oleaster oil, mongongo oil, baobab oil. Uniquely loaded with fatty acids omega-3, 6 and 9. Specially made for all hair types. Fine, thick, natural, chemically treated, colored, 1A to 4Z. Top reviews from the United States. A must-have. This is my third jar. I have 3C low porosity hair and a dab of this and the moisture is incredible. It does have a granular consistency but easily melts in hands or if you diffuse with a blow dryer.